Katie, so this was like guided, and I mean, it wasn't long, but lengthier than, what would it be like to take this practice and experience into tomorrow and the next day? Is there a version of this type of like, getting into this deep state and speaking to your subconscious or unconscious minds that is recreatable without guidance from like that somebody could just do maybe like on the metro or well, not driving, as you mentioned.
Yeah, not driving.
On their own, like maybe in bed before sleep or when they wake up. Like, what does that look like?
That's a really good question. So there is self-hypnosis, and it's one of the first things I teach people. So self-hypnosis is, I've got a Facebook group, so you're welcome to join. It's called Fearless Performance, Hypnosis for Artists. I've titled it that by artists, to be honest. Anyone who's ready to share their voice or share who they are with the world is it's all encompassing. But it's called, Fearless Performance. And in that, there is a guide to how to do self-hypnosis and a PDF on how to do self-hypnosis and how to create your own affirmation, hypno affirmation, because you're using it inside hypnosis. And it's actually really, really simple. So you can count, oh, thanks, Nicole. So you can count yourself down into hypnosis. You can use certain techniques like the color running through, counting down, making suggestions, for example, I'm going deeper and deeper, and so on. And then saying your hypno affirmation when you're lovely and deep. So that's a really powerful thing to do. So if I ever have a moment on the tube, on the train, or I've done it in, before teaching a challenging class when I was a voice teacher, before I became a hypnotherapist, I used to get really anxious because I had some quite rebellious groups of actors. I used to teach actors and they were quite naughty and kind of fun, but really naughty. And so I used to get quite anxious and I'd go into the bathroom and I'd do my self-hypnosis and it would change my state completely before I went into the class. It had huge impact. So yeah, join the group and I'll welcome you and I'll tag you in the posts with the PDF and the video.
And then Katie is actually going to create for us in the upcoming week or so a short, quick version of something that you can follow along with. It's like 3 to 5 minutes. And then I will email it to everybody that you can just have on your phone or like record it and have it on your computer that you can access really fast, specifically around voice dysphoria when thinking about practicing voice transition exercises or when actually about to use your voice in public and feeling dysphoric.
Was that what you were asking about the first time? So yeah, basically.
No, you answered my question differently. You're good. That was my question. How do you do it on your own? And then I was just saying, by the way, we're going to create this other resource and will send it to everybody, as well as a lot of information on how you can see more of Katie's work. I linked the Facebook group in the chat, but I'll also link it on the replay of this too.
Amazing. Brilliant. Awesome. Yeah, the video is just going to be a quick brain hack. It's very, very simple. Yeah.
Does anybody have questions? Oh, look, you already have a new
amazing
group sign up.
Great.
Questions more for Katie, or even I'm happy to answer questions about voice transition resources and voice transition in general as well. If there's anything top of your mind while we're all in here. Does Katie have? Yes, Katie has a website.
I'll put it in. It is www.katiecrooks.com. There you go.
KATIECROOKS for all of you watching later that don't have the chat.
Good point.
Jesse said, you found me on TikTok. Ooh, I just started the TikTok grind and it is a wild, wild world out there. I put out a free weekly voice tip video. They're all around 3 minutes. I put them out every Tuesday on, I have like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, all of the socials. And I've been doing it for like over a year now. So there's like so many videos on, there's like over, I don't even know, like around 100 videos on that channel that you're more than welcome to use as a free resource. But I just started TikTok, but it's been going great. I really enjoy sharing on there. But yeah, I put out 50% of my energy, effort, and time goes into creating free resources for voice transition. So I have that. We talked about mindset really early on. Katie, you're mentioning like finding your why is really important, and to continuously ask the question why. I have a free mindset workbook that is exactly that. It teaches you how to find your why. I'll put some free resources on the replay page as well. If you want to learn more about, so for me, I like to be able to help people figure out their next step for their voice transition, even if it's not with any of my programs or paid or free resources. So if you are somebody who feels like you're stuck, you've plateaued, you've been doing it on your own, or you are using a program and it's not working for you and you just want to figure out what to do next, I do free voice consults. So I'll put the link in the chat. You're more than welcome to sign up. They're 20 minutes long. We talk about your experience, your goals, and then I give you kind of an overview of what resources are out there. And depending on your budget, your time, your energy, how much of a commitment you want to do, I help you figure out what resource is best for you, even if it's not mine. So feel free to utilize that. If you just want to kind of do that exploration on your own and you feel intimidated to have a conversation with me one-on-one, which I promise I'm the exact same as I am now, except I cuss a lot. That's probably the biggest difference. You can go to undeadvoice.com/video-ask. And I just made it into a questionnaire form, so you don't have to like meet with me quite yet to learn more about what's out there. I'll put it here. And then when you fill that out, I follow up with you via email in case you don't want to like hop on a call with me. Look next week for the follow-up video that I'll send you from Katie. Yay. Okay, cool. Well, I hope that you all have a wonderful day. If you are tired, don't go operate heavy machinery. And I will send you the replay on Friday, or you're more than welcome to always email me if you have any questions. In the meantime, I am Nicole, Nicole @undeadvoice.com. Awesome.
All right. Totally. Thanks, Nicole. Thanks, both of you.
You're very welcome. Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.